Hello, everybody. It's Sunday. I am at CVS, y'all, and I'm tired. I am tired. So to all my new subscribers, if you do not know, you probably don't know because you're new here. So I am a full-time working mom, and I'm also an artist and entertainer. So on most of the weekends, mostly Thursday through Saturday, I am doing shows or on the road, traveling just about, at this point, everywhere. Doing shows and doing music. So on Sundays, I might make it to CVS. On some days, I might just be like, you know what, I'm sleeping in today. But I got a little time today. So let's go inside CVS. It is CVS Sunday. It is also the week of Juneteenth, which is our Independence Day. I don't know about the other Independence Day. That ain't got nothing to do with me. But I'm going to be highlighting black businesses all week. So if you're following me on Instagram, make sure you follow Drip and Culture. If you like coffee, this is a black-owned, minority-owned business out of Chicago, Illinois, or Waukegan, Illinois. It's about 45 minutes outside of Chicago. If you're into coffee, make sure you support their business. They are online. You can order the coffee online. It will ship right to your door. And it is great, y'all. I am very sensitive to caffeine, and I can drink it. It's gonna have me going. I'm gonna be up all day, but it is great. So make sure, now if you don't support that business, you support a black business this week because it is Freedom Week, okay? And if you feel away, baby, this is not the channel for you. So let's go inside CVS and see what we can find. All right, guys, so we are going to get right into it. This week, the Crest is 2 for $6. You buy 2, you get a $3 extra care book. So basically the same deal that we did last week. I'm going to max this deal out specifically because we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. We don't have I used the $1 extra that glitched with the 6 last week. So it's not on my account. So I never pick up this type of toothpaste, y'all. I never pick this up. So I want to do something different. So I picked up 4 of these, which is going to equal $12. Have a $5 digital coupon and a 2 off of 5 Crest CRT. It's going to bring my total to $5 out of pocket, but get the $6 extra care bucks back, making it completely free. Right, the next deal that we're going to be doing, all right, is the Lady Speed Stick and Men Speed Stick. This week they are 2 for $6. You buy 2, you get a $2 extra care book. I have a 2 off of 2 Lady Speed Stick CRT. Take $2 off of 6. I'll pay $4. Get back the $2 extra care book, making them $2 or $1 each. Not great, not free, but it'll do for me. All right, the next deal we're going to be doing is the Irish Spring. Guys, I'm really excited about this deal because I got CRTs. And, you know, CRTs just aren't that easy to come by nowadays. They're 2 for $8 this week. When you buy 2, you get a $2 extra care book. I'll be picking up 2. I have a 2 off of 2 CRT for Irish Spring. I have a 2 off of 8. I have actually 2 of the 2 off 2 CRTs that I'm hoping will glitch and come. All of them will come off, leaving me only to pay $2, but get the $2 extra care book back. So I have a 2 off 8 body wash CRT. I'll pay $2 to get that $2 extra care bucks back. So guys, this deal just fell into my lap, and who am I to walk away from it? All right. So this week, the L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8. When you spend $8, you get a $4 extra care book. So we have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon for this deal, and that's actually the only coupon that I had. So I'm just minding my business, walking around the store, and I see this clearance section, and this thing is sitting on the clearance. So I was like, self, did you know that y'all just playing? So I saw that this Elvive Rapid Reviver was on clearance, so I went and scanned it, and it rang up for $162. So I knew that I had a 5 off 3, and I wasn't gonna pick up a random, because I like to buy my shampoo in sets. I don't like to buy like one shampoo and not the conditioner. It's just a compulsive thing that I do. So I'm gonna pick up these 3, use the $5 off of 3 digital coupon, get the $4 extra care book back. right, so this is an overview of everything that I have in my cart. The Crest, the Speed Stick, the Irish Spring, Irish Spring. Okay, I said that right. And the L'Oreal Elvive. I have $13 in extra care bucks that I'm going to roll in this transaction, but I'll get the $6 in extra care bucks back for the Crest, $2 back for the Irish Spring, $4 back for the Elvive, and $2 back for the Lady and Men Speed Stick. All right, so let's check out and look at my receipt. So guys, this never happens to me. It does, but very seldomly. This transaction turned out to be absolutely great. So that is the Lady and Men Speed Stick. That's the L'Oreal Elvive, the Irish Spring, and all 4 of the Crest. So let's look at all the CRTs and manufacturer coupons or digital coupons that came out. So the 5 off 3 came out. The 5 off of 3 Crest came off. I had a 3 off of 3 hair that I didn't even calculate into my transaction, which is probably why it turned out to be 0. Okay, so the 2 off of Soft Soap Irish Spring came off. The 2 off of Scope came off. The 2 off of 8 Body Wash came off. The 2 off of everything just came off, child. And my out of pocket was 0. I had 100% in savings. And guys, I got back the $2 extra care buck for the Speed Stick. I got the $2 extra care buck back for the Irish Spring. I got the $6 extra care buck back for the Crest. And I got the $4 extra care buck back for the L'Oreal Elvive. You cannot beat that with a stick, y'all. 0 out of pocket. All right, so let's get us the next transaction I'm going to be doing is going to be the spend 30, get the $10 extra care buck. So this week, the smaller quantities are included. So the Bounty is $7.99 as well as the Charmin. I had a $2 off of Bounty CRT, but it's only for the 6 count or higher. So I'm just going to use this 25-cent digital coupon and call it a day. I'm also going to pick up the 6 = 14 roll of the Charmin. I have a 25-cent digital coupon for that. I have a 3 off of a 9 CRT for Charmin, but of course I do not meet the requirement because they're $7.99 this week for whatever reason. All right, okay, so the next thing I'm going to be picking up is going to be the Tide Pods. It was slim pickings. If you can look at the shelves, guys, it was slim pickings at 3 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon. So I'm glad I came in when I came in. The Tide Pods are priced as $11.94. We have a $3 digital, making it what, $8.94. All right, so they didn't have any other Tide of the larger amount, so I picked up the Free and Gentle, which is great if you know someone who is like having a baby. It is a great substitute for Drift. We have a $3 digital coupon for that, making it $8.94. Okay, so that's the last thing I'm going to be picking up in my spend 30 get 10 transaction. So for everything that you see here, my total actually comes out to be $39 because I fell short with the 2 stupid $7.99 paper products. Like, why aren't they $9.99 CVS? All right, so I'm going to roll all of my extra care bucks into this transaction, and whatever the balance is, I think it'll come down to about $10. I'll use the Fetch gift card to pay the cost and get the $10 of extra care bucks back. Great deal. And since I did not get any inserts, or they're not in yet, I didn't get any inserts, so I don't have any inserts right now. This is a great transaction to do if you have not used any of your $3 Tide digital coupons, okay? So let's check out, guys, and see how this goes. All right, everybody, so I'm at home. This is a overview of everything that I picked up today. Not super huge haul, but when I say it worked for me, it worked for me, okay? So, the transaction, the spend 30 get 10 transaction turned out to be exactly how I planned for it. My added came down to be $11.75. I put $10 on a Fetch gift card. Let's look at my receipt together. I tried to use that $2 CRT, but it wouldn't attach because, of course, the Bounty was not for the 6 count. So let's look at my receipt. That is the Tide Pods, the Bounty, and the Charmin. So the $3 digital came off of the laundry soap and the the laundry soap and the Tide Pods. The 2 25-cent blah digital coupons came off for the Charmin and the Bounty. So I had a 3 off of 9 Charmin and a $2 off of a 6-count Bounty, which wasn't a part of the spend 30 get 10. And I was like, I really just can't catch a break. I didn't have any other CRTs. Like I didn't have a 4 off 20 because I wanted to use that to get the Cottonelle, but I was just like, listen, we're gonna work with what we have. All right. So that brought my total down, and I rolled all of the extra care bucks I had. I had a $10 care pass, and then I rolled the 10, 12. And then I rolled the 14. So I rolled $24 in extra care bucks into that deal. My the subtotal came down to be $9.33. $9.36, y'all. I got to slow down sometimes. And $11.75 plus tax. I wrote $10 in extra in a Fetch gift card, paid the $1.75, and got back 81%. No, it was 81% savings. I saved $40, and I got back the $10 extra care book. Okay, so $1.75, and I got back 10. I'll take that any day, y'all. This entire transaction today was under $5. Like what? Under $5. I think that's great considering how y'all know I be in there just like running up a bag and like why. So low out of pockets, $1, less than $2 out of pockets on both transactions. I think that's absolutely great. I have $10 to start me out on next week, and I also have another $10 Fetch gift card that I can use next week. So this week is an awesome week at CVS. If you have CRTs, also check your clearance, because I wasn't even gonna do the L5 deal because I was just like, I'm not picking up 3 of them. They're 2 for $8. What is the point of me picking up 3? And I randomly found the L5, this little thing, on clearance for $1.62. So that deal was absolutely great. So that was the highlight of my day. Just walking around the store looking, trying to see what I could find, and I scored on that deal. So yes, I'm super excited about my transaction today. I had a little hiccup at the end, but the cashier was new. He didn't really know how to use gift cards. So they had to call my girl T from the back, and she helped me. It was no problem. So I'm super excited about this transaction, y'all, and I cannot wait for my Walgreens haul. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and we'll get into all the preliminaries in just a second. All right, so if this video was helpful to you in any way, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, make sure you comment in the comment section below. I will definitely put the information for today's highlighted black business, which is Dripping Culture Coffee. Make sure you go support. If not, make sure you support a black business this week, because it is important. We need each other. All right. If you are an ally, make sure you support a black business this week, because it is important, because we all need each other. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you. All right. Have a great Sunday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.